What's up, guys? Yeah, like I said in the last video, shit just kind of, I've been busy. The truck's a project and it's not a have-to-have right now, so it kind of got put to the side while I finished a pasture and a few other things. Me and my girl have a mini farm now that I wasn't really expecting, but I like all the critters, I ain't gonna try to lie. So it's still a big deal. Today I'm back out here in the shop. I'm actually waiting on my buddy Carl. Like I said last time, I'm kind of doubting myself on some shit, and I'd a lot rather be right, or as close to right as I can be, as to, oh, I hope I did it right. So I'm gonna wait, get some help from my buddy. Excuse me, I got Axel underneath here getting little things done while I'm waiting for him. Try to get everything as done up as I can. Yeah, I'm fussing at myself right now. This should have been done. I should have buzzed through this in one night. Instead it's been 3 days and I haven't touched it hardly because the old anxieties have been screaming at me. But today we're gonna fix it, hopefully. At least get the parts that I'm doubting myself I'm done with. Get back to the stuff I know I can handle. But like I said, Carl will be here in a little bit. I'm gonna make sure and put links in the description of this here for his Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that. He's got Carl Auto Works. A good friend of mine, he's my body man. So check him out. We'll see him again here in a little bit. Well, that looks like as far as I can go for right now. I've got it in place, and I think relatively, keyword relatively, in the right area. I'm pretty sure I got pinion angle set, but I want to wait till get somebody else to back me up on this. I know it probably sounds stupid to everybody else, but to me it makes sense. So, well, now we wait for a little bit.
Desperate measures call for desperate people looking for a savior on high. They think that there's hope here as long as they stay here, but there's no hope here as long as we stay here. bites upon the people. They'll say that there's hope here as long as we stay here feeding them. But the fact is there's no hope here as long as we stay here.
Too fat for this. Well, unfortunately, that's where I'm going to call it tonight. My good buddy Carl came up, and Jimmy came up, and we put in some work on the old rig, got her all squared up, tacked in, and of course, what happens? Run out of gas. Actually, to break up a little more, we run out of welding wire. Go get welding wire from a farm store, so it cost us twice as much as it should have. And then we get back, and guess who doesn't have gas? Me. But like I said, everything's tacked in place. I can deal with that. It's tacked in. I've got, I think it was a little under 2 degrees of pinion change through the whole cycle, maxed out to just completely laid out. So I'm not going to complain about it. Everything's free, rotates good. I need to drop the rear end back out, weld everything up, get her painted and all that good shit. But that's going to have to wait a little bit. It's 11 o'clock. I got to be up at 3-ish. I need to pull an all-nighter again. I'm getting too old for shit. I hate that I haven't put out more videos lately, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to work on it as I can. It's going to be a little bit before I can do another one, but we're working on it. Next time, whenever I get started on it again, we're going to get this welded up like I said, get it painted, get it put back in. We're going to go ahead and swap out wheel cylinders in this rear end, probably change the brake pads, stuff like that. A bunch of little shit, but it still adds up. And then it's off to Carl's Auto Works down in Latham, Tennessee. Like I said earlier, he came up and helped me. He's a good friend of mine, my body man, everything else. He does a lot of work for me. Does great work. If you're ever in the market for needing custom work, insurance work, he does a little bit of everything. His Instagram, like I said, I will put a link to it down here. And I think he's got a new Facebook page as well. I'll put it on the description as well. For now, like I say, we're as far as we can get. Once it gets down there, it's time for new cab corners, bed floor, back of the cab, because you know everybody loves red, white, blue, orange. It seems like there's another color in amongst all that bullshit, but I can't really remember what it was. But she's in for, you know, a lot of new stuff. I do have to fix one more thing before we take it down there, but hopefully it won't be too bad. When I got the truck, there was some things that I didn't catch. My mistake. It was nasty muddy the day I got it. I should have crawled underneath there. But one of the things I didn't catch was it had a broken starter bolt. And in all honesty, it needs a new starter. But I gotta get the other piece of the bolt out of the second bolt hole. That way I can put 2 bolts in the stupid thing. And it's in there good, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not looking forward to it, but it's part of it. Life goes on. It's one of those things I gotta fix. I got all new stuff sitting around here for it. And right now it's just waiting for me. I should have had this done. It's my fault. But I just did not believe in myself, and at the end of the day, I needed help. And I'm lucky I've got good friends that, even though they got their own shit going on, dropped everything and come up here to help me. So, can't complain. Point is, now it's getting there. But Like I said, it's late. I'm tired. I'm old. I think I'm gonna call tonight. So you good people have a good one. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time.